Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, the question often comes, what happens if your visa expires in Canada? So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, if you are living in Canada as a temporary resident, be it visitor, student or worker, your visa and your status are not the same. There is a difference and you should understand the difference, and that is going to answer this question. First of all, what is visa? Visa is a travel document, or you can say TRV, temporary resident visa, that is placed in your passport that allows you to enter Canada. Okay, but when uh, but when you enter Canada, you get a permit. Okay, and that is something that maintains your status in Canada. Okay, uh, so your visa is not directly tied up to your status. Visa is like to let you travel, but what lets you live in Canada and defines your rights and responsibilities is your status, or you can say the permit. Okay, so if your visa is expired but your status is valid, for example, your visa is expired but you have a valid temporary work permit, then you're okay to stay, but you cannot re-enter Canada if you go out, because your permit, work permit, study permit or visitor record, is not your um, travel document. You cannot travel based on those back to Canada in case you go out. So in order to get into Canada, you need a visa stamped. Once you reach here, you need a permit. Okay, so for staying inside Canada, if your visa is expired, TRV stamped your passport, no problem, but your status must not be expired, otherwise there are consequences. If you leave Canada, you need a new visa to come back, and that you can apply by going in your home country if you have valid study work permit. Okay, now if your status expires and you are still in Canada, it could have severe consequences, because if you do nothing, that means you lose your legal status. You must stop working or studying immediately, and if you don't, that's illegal, and you may need to leave Canada, and it will impact your future immigration applications too if you stay in Canada more than your status. Okay, now there is a good news about 90 days restoration rule. If your status has expired less than 90 days, you can apply for restoration of status, and the conditions are: you must stay in Canada, you must apply within 90 days, you cannot work or study until restoration is approved, you must pay the fee. Okay, if approved, your status is restored. If not, you have to leave. And if your status has expired more than 90 days ago and you haven't applied for restoration, you cannot apply, and you must leave Canada. And future applications could be in trouble because of this. Another possibility: what if you apply for extension before your current permit expires? So that means you can get if you applied for extension before your current permit expire, you get maintained status called employed status. You can stay in Canada, continue working, studying under same condition until a decision is made. Okay, and yes, it impacts so many things, future applications including PR too. So if you do breach your conditions, your status, there is gonna be a huge impact. Okay, so that's what I wanted to convey, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.